Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My video guide is now dedicated to removing pop-ups that derive from the website etailorsdenieed.info. There are some faulty alerts displayed by this pop-up: analyzing browser info, testing browser feature, checking permissions, press allow to continue. So finally, this is the main purpose of the pop-up, is to force you into clicking on this allow button. Now, why does this happen? What does the main mission of this clicking is? The point is that if you mistakenly click on this allow button, you will be then immediately redirected to some other dangerous resources, and such redirections will keep taking place. This actually is the form of the browser hijacking. So your browser will be very soon hijacked and you will be permanently redirected to many dangerous resources on the web. Therefore, we really recommend you not to click on this allow button, and if you have done that by mistake, watch carefully as I demonstrate how to fix this issue. Now you need to go to the browser menu, click on Settings. Afterwards, scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on Advanced. Now on Site Settings, and finally Notifications. Okay, here is this website that is displaying pop-ups and causing the problem. You should click here and select Remove. And once again, Menu, Settings, scroll down to the bottom, Advanced, Site Settings, and Notifications. If you locate some other dangerous resources like that, make sure you remove them too. Now, finally, I recommend that you scan your device with Combo Cleaner, the reliable security software for Mac. combocleaner.com, that's the website you need to go to. Download Combo Cleaner with the help of this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software and start it from your Launchpad. Click on the Start Combo Scan button. That will initiate the scanning procedure, and it may take a while the scanning is completed. However, at the end of scan, you'll be able to get a detailed picture of what's going on with your Mac, and if you locate some malware, you may remove it manually by following the location of those threads in the report of Combo Cleaner, or automatically with the help of the full version, the premium version of Combo Cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, so stay tuned. Bye.